Okay.
Okay, now I would like to request Madhvilata A. ma'am. She is assistant professor from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institute from Ghatkeshwar, Tamil Nadu. She is also research scholar from Osmania University, Hyderabad, Telangana. Ma'am, please over to you.
I'm sorry for that. Okay, so thank you for that for my introduction and all. And that was very good. And first of all, I would like to thank the efforts of the complete entire Alapan team for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak my views on this auspicious day that is your foundation day. So I'm very much happy for that. And also I feel privileged to be associated with such kind of valuable academy, Alapan, which has been striving hard to bring out excellence in the students. So I'm happy for that. I'm happy to be associated with such kind of things and all. So today I would like to speak a few words. Okay, it's not a long speech, of course. Okay, it's something related to English language as I'm an English teacher and all. So I can just put forth my ideas related to English language teaching and learning and how is it related to Alapan. So Alapan, first of all, is like the acronym, like it's a full formula for Academy for Language Advancement and Progressive Attitude Nurturing. It's this kind of thing. So I just wanted to put emphasis here on English language advancement and how is it related to our attitude development, like attitude nurturing. As simultaneously, I would talk about I'll share my experiences while I was invited as a resource person there. Okay, in the winter camp, to the winter camp. Okay, so first of all, let me emphasize on the importance of English language teaching and learning, which of course gives you a way to your language advancement. So when I talk about the importance of English language, it's all over the society, in the complete world, in the whole world. English is a global language. It's a language in demand. So each and every one has to have some idea about English language, either in written form or speaking. So if you just ask me, according to a recent survey conducted, of course, English is an official language. English is declared as an official language in almost 53 countries, and of course, 4 billion people do use this language. They are aware, either speak or in written form. They are aware about this English language. And the second thing I can just talk about is India itself. English is accepted as second language, and mostly in schools where which do have ICSE curriculum, whereas English is accepted as the first language. And let me tell you, the emphasis of English language here in ICSE curriculum syllabus, the students fails in one of the in English in most first in English, he or she is termed as failed in all the subjects. So that's the importance given in ICSE curriculum based schools and all. Of course, at university levels, at college levels, and everything, mostly the courses are dealt with the medium of English. Okay, they are instructed with the medium in the medium of English. And let me talk to you as English is also a multilingual franca. It's not only accepted at national level, international level. If you wanted to have proper communication, I mean a proper rapport, either in the field of business, in any kind of international market. Of course, English is a language of internet, right? Internet. So if someone wants to tweet, someone wants to post a message, any WhatsApp, a single WhatsApp chat, a simple WhatsApp chat also does have some skills related to English, related to English. So everyone, according to me, I mean, in my opinion, I can just say that we should be aware of English language in order to excel in our careers. Mainly, what is the people who are striving for what is the success in the world to get into competitive world and all. So there I can just emphasize on the importance of English language, and here I can just relate it to the Alapan. How? So Alapan is one such kind of organization where it identified the need of learning English language yes, there is a need. The society is in need of learning English language. English language is the facts and all references I just brought in. So it recognizes it, identified the need of English language learning. Therefore, it started an initiative to develop such kind of language learning skills in students brought from different fields, brought from different levels, of course, different backgrounds, etc. Different backgrounds, and it just segregated students there in common platform. So while learning, I just felt like I just wanted to share my experiences as well. So I've been into teaching for more than 10 years. I taught at an intermediate level, degree level, engineering level, PG level as well. But I never found such kind of environment where I just taught for all level students, from 8th to 11th to 13th, more than 12 and all. So such kind of levels, at that time I just found so many people with the different levels and also different backgrounds acting as segregated at a single place. I just felt very happy. And the other thing I would just like to highlight here is, so it's Alapan is not such kind of thing where it teaches language in an environment where students are confined to walls. Students are restricted to walls. So when children are brought out, when students are brought out from the monotonous environment, from the mundane environment, and brought to a creative platform where it has creative platform, I can just say that is a good interaction. Okay, interaction being new, innovative thoughts, interaction being sociable, being interactive, being fun, learning a language. Learning a language with fun, with activities and all. That will stimulate the thinking process in children. So we can't just merely give English languages. That's because it's skill oriented. It's not subject or knowledge oriented. So one learns English language in order to develop his or her skill. So this skill can be brought out in children by stimulating his or her mind. So this is a very aspect I just found while I was teaching at Alapan in a creative environment. So we just had much fun. We played. I gave students so many activities, and the feedback was very excellent. So I put on more effort, and the result was very, very, very good. So learners have to be brought out of the classrooms. Which my thing is not that learners have to come out, because they should be adventurous. They should come out of the box. Such kind of environment I just found while I was teaching when I was just delivering lectures at Alabama. So that's the thing I just found there. And of course, I just found the food while I was invited there. The hospitality was very good. Of course, the way I received the food, of course, the breakfast and all, it was a little bit different from Telangana and all. And wonderful, the excellent cultural event which was performed by students was really, really awesome. I didn't find such kind of a performance anywhere. So every year I just recollect on New Year Day at least the cultural event which took place in West Bengal. So I just recollect. I have good memories and associated with Alapan and all, and I can just also focus on here attitude nurturing, as I was speaking about. So when children are brought out of their confined areas, of their specific areas, of the mundane areas, if they are brought out, of course their brains become active, their minds become active, and if they are brought to a new area there, of course, looking at different people. Of course, Alapan also invites international speakers. Okay, I just found that. And children interacting with the different people, like at national level or international level, speaking to them, interacting with them, having exposure towards activities taking place in the society. Everything, the thinking process starts looking at all this. Now, what is experience all this? In a child, the thinking process starts. So that's the thing a teacher has to do. The teacher has to stimulate the mind of a child. There starts the process of learning. So this one clearly I just found at Alapan. I'm very much happy. I just thought there, and I'll be just looking forward to meeting such kind of people, to attending such kind of sessions if they are given an opportunity. And with this, I would like to end my session. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you very much for your wonderful speech. You know explained it very well that why we should learn the English that language especially. So thank you very much, and also you told about our culture and also about other films. So thank you very much for everything. We loved it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
thanks a lot. Thanks.